Hey everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins, and this is the 6th edition of the Google Cloud Platform Jumpstart recap session. So today is Tuesday, March 29th, 2022, and I really wanted this to be a good video, but it was a downer because when I logged on for the first 10 minutes, it was nothing but silence. So first, a man talks saying that this is the first final session. So this is the final official setting where you're supposed to have all of your work done. But I learned yesterday that you have 1 year to the start of your program date to complete everything. So for me, I have until January 18th, 2023 to complete everything. And it was a downer to me because I really wanted to attend the full session. I believe I attended nearly all of them except the second one because I had a cloud interview, and that was a downer, but I was very happy that I learned more about Google Cloud and Jumpstart. So a little bit of synopsis about the program. I'm very happy that I attended it because Google Cloud here in the United States is the third most popular cloud behind AWS, which is 1, and Azure, which is 2. I've always wanted to be multi-cloud since starting cloud computing learning, and that's why I jumped at the chance to enroll in Jumpstart. I was able to do a lot of the work, get the labs for free, which is huge. When you're undertaking cloud computing, one of the biggest things is making sure you cut down on your costs and you delete whatever you save. So these programs give you credits and opportunities at free labs. You take full advantage of them because it's free learning, and you don't have to put your credit card and create an account for you to use the labs, which is something I truly like. I've set a goal for myself to finish the program hopefully by June the 30th of 2022, but the latest July 31st, 2022. I don't see myself, my birthday's in August, so I do want to complete it before my birthday. Another thing of what's next, of course, not only am I going to complete the program and the labs associated with it, but also I will be passing my Google Cloud Platform Cloud Digital Leader, which is the fundamental exam, and the Associate Cloud Engineering. And by completing the ACE, I would have had all top 3 Associate Cloud. So I would have received the AWS Solutions Architect Associate Cloud, the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate, the Azure Artificial Intelligence Engineer, and the Azure Network Engineer Associate. So I have 3 associates in Azure. And then the Google Cloud Platform Associate Cloud Engineer. Having all 3 is huge. It increases my competitive advantage, but it's also something that I want to do, and I would be more in service for the companies I work for. So if you are looking for multi-cloud from AWS, Google, Azure, and Oracle Cloud, get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. But that's the final thing. I will be doing updates because we have career skills. So I will be doing future videos on this of attending the cloud skills. I believe they start next month in April. Well, April's this week, but in April, like April 15th, in 2 more weeks, they'll start. I will be doing that because I feel that that's very relative to the Google Cloud Jumpstart program. A lot of people have been coming in contact happy that I'm chronicling my journey to Jumpstart. It is a free program, but as I mentioned in the video when I received entry, it's not an entry-level program because it's an associate cloud. I would recommend that you do have some cloud knowledge and or at least a foundational cloud cert. So for those who are new, and AWS, that's certified cloud practitioner, in Azure, it's Azure Fundamentals or AZ900, and Oracle is Oracle Cloud Foundations Associate, which as of this recording, March 29th, they have both the free training and the free certification on Oracle University for free, so you can get that for free. And then for Google Cloud, it is the Cloud Digital Leader. So those are the 4 fundamental certifications that I would recommend you go just get any one of them, because you do have to have a fundamental knowledge of cloud in order to complete the training in doing the labs, because you have to be familiar with command line interface and some of the cloud knowledge, because when you read the instructions, if you don't have that knowledge, you will really get lost and really get frustrated. And one of the things I always love to do with my videos, as well as with my blog, if you're watching this on carlrjenkins.com, that I want to give you the real, like, behind the scenes of what you really need to be successful. And for the Google Cloud Platform Jumpstart program, you do need to have at least a fundamental cert and some cloud knowledge before you apply, because as I mentioned, you're going for an associate level cloud cert, which is higher than the fundamental, and by just having that fundamental cert underneath, you will be more than ready for it. So that's all for the 6th edition. I was sad there was a downer and they had no sound in the final one, but I'm very happy to go through the program. I would recommend it. It is time intensive, so I will tell you that. But just being able to get the free labs, get something that's Google Cloud, and it's good also for your resume because it distinguishes you from others. Having been currently an Amazon Web Services community builder as well as in the GCP Jumpstart program, I do feel that these are good programs to put on your resume, because it separates you from your competition, because in a way it's saying you're good enough to get into a volunteer program or some type of program versus someone else who's just saying, I'm learning this, I'm labbing in that. So that's all for this. But once again, I would like to thank everyone for watching. Also remember, I will be coming back with Google Cloud Platform, the Career Series, when those set up. And also, if you or your company is looking for multi-cloud help, Google Cloud help, get in touch with me at carlrjenkins.com/contact. Thanks for watching.